Hello children. Now we are going to do the continuation of the chapter tangents and intersecting chords. Question: ABC is a right angled triangle with AB equal to 12 cm, AC equal to 13 cm. A circle with the center O has been inscribed inside the triangle. Calculate the value of x, the radius of the inscribed circle. Given ABC is a right angle triangle with AB equal to 12 cm and AC equal to 13 cm. To find the radius of the circle, that is here x. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. As we know that the tangent at any point and the radius through this point are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, OL perpendicular to AB, OM perpendicular to BC and ON perpendicular to AC. Therefore, LBMO is a square. That is LB equal to BM equal to OM equal to OL equal to X. AB equal to 12 centimeter. Therefore, AL is equal to, as we know, LB is equal to X. Therefore, AL is equal to 12 minus X. Also, we know that from an exterior point, we can draw two tangents which are equal in length. Here, A is an exterior point. AL and AN are two tangents to the circle. Therefore, AL equal to AN. AL is equal to 12 minus X. Therefore, AN is also equal to 12 minus X. Since triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is 13 square is equal to 12 square plus BC square. 169 is equal to 144 plus BC square, which implies that BC square is equal to 169 minus 144 equal to 25. Therefore, BC is equal to square root of 25 equal to 5 centimeter. BC is equal to 5 centimeter. BM is equal to X. Therefore, MC is equal to 5 minus X. Here, C is an exterior point to the circle and CM and CN are tangents to the circle. Therefore, CM is equal to CN. CM is equal to 5 minus X. Therefore, CN is also equal to 5 minus X. Now, AC equal to AN plus NC. AN is equal to 12 minus X and CN is equal to 5 minus X. That is 13 equal to 12 minus X plus 5 minus X. 13 is equal to 12 plus 5 is 17 minus 2x. That is 2x is equal to 17 minus 13 equal to 4. Therefore, x is equal to 4 upon 2, that is equal to 2 centimeter. Therefore, the radius of the circle is equal to 2 centimeter. Next question. In a triangle ABC, The incircle touches BC, CA and AB at points P, Q and R respectively. Calculate first part angle QOR, second angle QPR. Given that angle A is equal to 60 degree. Here from the given statement first draw a figure. Given a triangle ABC, the incircle touches BC, CA and AB at points P, Q and R respectively. Angle A is equal to 60 degree. To find angle QOR, second part angle QPR. As we know that the tangent at any point of a circle and the radius through this point are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, OQ perpendicular to AC, OP perpendicular to BC and OR perpendicular to AB. In quadrilateral AROQ, as we know that the sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Angle ARO plus angle ROQ plus angle OQA plus angle QAR is equal to 360 degree. Here angle ORA and angle OQA is equal to 90 degree. Angle A is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, angle QOR is equal to 360 degree minus of 90 degree plus 90 degree plus 60 degree. That is equal to 360 degree minus 240 degree equal to 120 degree. Now, arc QR subtends angle QOR at the center and angle QPR at the remaining part of the circle. Therefore, angle QPR is equal to half into angle QOR equal to half into 120 degree equal to 60 degree.